4 ways to experience an incredible awakening to manifest the life that you deserve. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, that awakening, there's that moment when you reach the precipice and everything begins to change and your life begins to unfold. It's like coming out of an egg or out of a cocoon. You know, the sun is bright and it just feels good because money begins to flow into your life, abundance and health and happiness. Your relationships all of a sudden start getting better. And you find yourself surrounded by happiness, joy, and love. But the first step to creating that kind of an awakening is to banish your doubts, your fears, and your limiting beliefs. Look, I understand what it's like to have doubts and fears and limiting beliefs. But doubts and fears and limiting beliefs never helped anybody achieve anything worthwhile. Doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs never helped a relationship get better, never helped you attract back the person that you deeply love and want to be with, never helped you make a pile of money. So think about this. If you hang on to your doubts, if you hang on to your anxiety, if you hang on to your fears and your worries and your limiting beliefs, what are you doing? You're keeping yourself from having that awakening. But once you say, look I'm going to give these up. I'm not going to hang on to them anymore. All of a sudden, you've pushed yourself into the discomfort zone. You see, you're comfortable with your doubts. You're comfortable with your fears. You're comfortable with your limiting beliefs. You may not like it, but it's familiar. You understand it. But once you move out of your comfort zone and you challenge yourself and you push yourself to the next level, even though you're feeling fear and doubt and worry and anxiety, all of a sudden that new level becomes comfortable. And then you push to the next level and it becomes comfortable. And pretty soon your world, which was this small, now becomes bigger and bigger and bigger. You become what you truly are. Say it. I am infinite. I am an infinite being. And I claim that part of me that was never born and will never die. I claim that spirit that flows through me that can challenge and dissolve doubts and fears and limiting beliefs, and thus take me to my awakening and to my new life. Have you ever gone into a movie theater? Of course you have. And when you go into a movie theater, you sit there, you're talking with everybody. Then they tell you to turn off your cell phones and they bring the lights way down and the movie begins. And all of a sudden, you realize that a man with a letter S can fly through the sky. And you believe it during the movie. Or a guy can spin spider webs or drive a bat car or any number of things. It's called the suspension of disbelief. You've suspended your disbelief. So now you don't disbelieve anymore. What you need to do, high flyers, is say, I don't think I can have this relationship. Suspend your disbelief right now. I don't think I can become a millionaire. Suspend your disbelief right now. I don't think I can be healthy again. Suspend your disbelief right now. If you're not willing to get rid of your disbelief, suspend it. Because when you suspend your disbelief, say, look at, I'm going to suspend my disbelief for 1 day. And then after 1 day, I'm going to suspend it for 2 days. And then 3 days. And pretty soon, you won't have that disbelief. You know, Wayne Dyer used to say, seeing isn't believing. Believing is seeing. When you believe it strong enough, you will see it in your life because you will have an awakening, a new way of approaching your reality. High flyers, I love this one. Stop striving, start arriving. You see, as long as you have the mindset that you are striving for this relationship, you're striving to win the lottery, you're striving to make money, if you would just let go and stop striving and attract. How do you attract? By making what you desire so big, so bright, so bold in your mind, to feel it completely as if you already have it. And when you do that, you're no longer striving because you believe it's already here. You're arriving at a new destiny, a new outcome. Let me pause for a moment. I hear somebody out there talking to me, and I'm talking to you right now, whoever you are. Nothing is impossible with God. All things are possible. And God is within you, and you are within God. And therefore, nothing is impossible to you. Well, high flyers, to get you to that awakening, trust source energy. Trust the universe. Trust that the universe, its intention, the intention of the universe is to give you anything and everything you desire. Trust it, believe it, accept it, buy into it, live it. You see, I trust God so completely. And I'm not begging God for anything. I'm working with God as a partner in creating the life that I desire. Now, you don't like the word God? Use the word goddess. You don't like that? Use the word Jesus. You don't like that? Use the word source or the universe or the infinite field of potential. Whatever you choose to use as a way of defining this invisible power that is everywhere and nowhere at the same time. Trust it. Believe in it. Accept that it wants to help you, not by you begging, not by you wanting, but by you believing and knowing and accepting that the reality that you desire is already present. I am your law of attraction sage, your manifesting guru. And thank you for subscribing. We're here to help you. We're here to take your life to the next level. So click the bell icon as well. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.